how to change animator direction skill on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So you will see developer option is here, so click on developer option. Now here, scroll down and search search from here. You will see animator direction skill is here, so click on animator direction skill. So if you want to change, so you will select 5x, 1x, 1.5x, 2x, 5x, 10x. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change animator direction skill on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.